From the name itself, you will come to know that yes, we are preparing a greeting card for Christmas. So, the first and the most important thing in Scratch is to set a background or a backdrop and a similar character for that particular part. So, what I will be doing this time, what I have done, I will be just importing certain background from the Google. So on Google, I have typed snowfall with house animated. Now over here, I am finding certain interesting pictures. I will be selecting this part. So how to do, my kids? Right click, save image. I will be giving the name 1. Okay, 1, 2. I will be giving the name 12 and I'm clicking on save. Now, the first and the most important thing is that we have to select a backdrop. Now, how to select a backdrop with the help of this option? That is at the last, I will be used upload a backdrop. Now, when we click on the upload a backdrop, I will be able to get 12 because it was already stored on desktop. So you are able to see the desktop folder is there and I am able to see 12. Yes, it is important, but you are able to see that the image is too small. So how to make it big? You are able to see this arrow button. I will be just dragging it on the image that is there. And I am just dragging the image to the corners of the stage so that it covers the entire area. Yes, now it is perfect. My backdrop is ready. How to come out of the backdrop, my kids? You have to delete the initial backdrop which was there. This is the final backdrop. We have to come to the code part. Now, once we come to the code part, remember we have to select the sprite because over here you will be able to see the backdrop which is not required at all because for the backdrop the motion blocks are not available as we are able to see stage selected no motion block because we are able to see stage over here. Now what I will be doing, I will be coming for the sprite, I will be deleting this sprite. Now, my stage is empty, so I require a proper character for my stage. What I will be doing, choose a sprite. Now, over here, I think snowman will be good enough. So, yes, I'm able to see a snowman over there. But the size of the snowman is okay. I will be just dragging it on the corner of the screen. Yes, I think now it is ready. My backdrop is ready and my character is also ready. If you think the size of the backdrop or the size of the sprite is too large, you are able to reduce it from here. If you want little small, yes, I'm able to make it small over here. Now I think this is the appropriate size, so my backdrop and my character is ready.